Hi all. Here's a word problem about jewelry. On a buying trip in New York, Ronan ordered 120 pieces of jewelry, a number of bracelets at $11 each, and a number of necklaces at $13 each. He wrote a check for $1,420 to pay for the order. How many bracelets and how many necklaces did Ronan purchase? So we have two categories. We have bracelets and we have necklaces. I don't know how many bracelets he bought, so that will be my X. And same goes for the necklaces, so I'll call it a Y. By the way, it does not matter which one you call X or Y, or you can use any letter you want. I know that altogether he bought 120 pieces of jewelry, so number of bracelets plus number of the necklaces totals 120. Now we know that bracelets are $11 each and necklaces are $13 each. If we take number of bracelets, which is X, and multiply them by 11, this will calculate how much he paid for all of the bracelets, and we add to that 13 times Y, which calculates the price for all of the necklaces. Altogether, this adds up to 1420, which is the total price of the purchase. So now we have a system of equations, and I will do that by substitution. So I'm going to solve for x. Thus, we do minus y, and we get x is equal to 120 minus y. So now instead of x, I will substitute whatever x is equal to in terms of y. Now we want to keep everything else as is, so we get 11x plus 13y equals to 1420. This is the original equation, and we write what x is in terms of y, which is 120 minus y. So let's distribute this 11. You copy the inside of the parentheses as is, 120 minus y. Each of the terms gets multiplied by 11, so times 11 times 11. We keep everything else as is, so plus 13y equals to 1420. 11 times 120 is 1320 minus 11y plus 13y equals to 1420. Now we have 1320. We have like terms, y and y. We have different signs, so we're looking for difference. We have more positives, so the difference will be positive. Difference between 13 and 11 is 2. Y equals to 1420. Now we can solve. This is positive 1320, so we do the opposite of minus 1320. Minus 1320. That's a 0, so we have 2y equals to 100 out of 2, out of 2. 2 and 2 cancels, and we get y is equal to 50. Now, so we know that number of necklaces is 50. We still need to calculate how many bracelets there are, and we can do it from here. X will be equal to 120 minus number of necklaces, which is 50, and x is equal to, difference between 120 and 50 is 70. So we get 70 bracelets. So this is our solution. That's all.